Does it support the use of Xesim? Today, I'm testing on MI10. Open the app and view the supported card slots on home page. Or you can go to the home page and click on Settings to view the device info. Receive the Xesim card with installation steps, customer service contact details, and a QR code for the official website. After you insert it, just wait for the app to refresh. Click the plus icon and scan to download your SIM plan. After purchasing, you will receive a QR code. Scan it and download your eSIM plan to the app. Turn on the eSIM switch and enable data. In phone settings, turn off the Wi-Fi and turn on the data roaming. Let's check the internet now. With data roaming turned on, you can stream YouTube smoothly. If you'd like to buy an Xesim card, visit our official website at Xesim.cc and place your order from the menu. If you have more phones or SIM plans you'd like us to test, feel free to leave a comment.